When I think of Georgetown, I think of Allen Iverson. When I think of Allen Iverson, I think about Reebok, not Jordan Brand. But just like Jordan himself, Jordan Brand dominates all competition. And that's in collegiate sports and other places. And that's especially on Saturday. Doesn't matter what the company drops, it's guaranteed to sell out in minutes. And that includes the Georgetown Jordan 3.
Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the back.
What's up? It's your boy, Jaso. Thank you for joining me tonight. While you're here, please make sure to hit that like button. Tap that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. Thank you. Let's talk about two things. One, a recap of my Georgetown 3 pickup. And two, I'm going to show you what kicks are dropping in the upcoming weeks, and I want to hear what you have your eyes on. What up, what up? Walking into Foot Locker to pick out these Georgetown 3s.
You got one?
I got one, yeah. Thank you. Here's what's dropping in the upcoming days and weeks. A lot of drip is dropping in the upcoming weeks. The ones that stood out for me is number one, the Hyper Royal Jordan 1. We already know this pair is going to be a problem. Resale was around $800 and $900 the last time I checked, so it's going to be a difficult cop. I hope we all get lucky. Number two, the Air Max 90 Bacon. This is a release from the early 2000s. Really looking forward to this pair, and I hope I get my hands on it. This is another pair where it's going to be a lot of demand and resale is going to be really high. Number three, the Patina Jordan 1s. I've heard mixed reviews on these, but they're dope in my opinion. And I like that kind of rusty look on a Shadow Jordan 1, so hopefully I'll be able to cop those for retail. But that's going to be another difficult cop. How about you? Which pairs caught your eyes, and which ones are must-haves for you? That's a lot of heat, but it doesn't compare to the University Blue Jordan 1, which released a few weeks ago. It's going to restock later this week on Wednesday, March 24th. Make sure you enter those raffles and good luck. But if that doesn't work out, you know your boy J Soul is giving away a free pair of University Blue Jordan 1s. If you've entered, I'm wishing you good luck. I will announce the winner right here on YouTube on April 5th at 9 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We have just over a week left in Women's History Month. Please make sure you go and show your favorite female sneakerhead some love. This lifestyle wouldn't be what it is without the ladies, and my life wouldn't be what it is without V Soul. So please make sure that you're following her on the gram and also subscribing to her YouTube channel. Alright, Soul family, I appreciate y'all. Thank you for joining me tonight, and I'll catch you the next time. Peace and love.